Hello guys, hope you all are fine. In this video, I'm going to tell something about dictionary. While thinking about the dictionary, one thing come into your mind is that old dictionary we used in our childhood days. That dictionary consists of printed pages, but now we are in the digital world, so there is no printed dictionaries. But also digital dictionaries are also available. But I'm not going to tell you anything about that Oxford or Lefko dictionaries, but I'm going to tell something about Python's dictionary. You may wonder that is Python have any dictionary like to searching any word, meaning, synonyms, antonyms like that, but that's not the thing. Python having a dictionary, it's a kind of data type similar to Java's hash map. So in this video, I'm going to tell what is dictionary and how to use it, what are the advantages, and many more. Let's get started. There are two different ways of creating a dictionary. First, I am going to show you the first example. We can create a dictionary by using this curly braces. So if I try to get the type of the variable d, I will definitely get like dict. So this proves that d is a type of dictionary. So the another way of creating a dictionary is, so these are the empty dictionaries. Before that, we have to discuss what's dictionary and how it can be stored. What's the syntax of the dictionary? The dictionary consists of key and value. As we look into our conventional dictionary, that is printed dictionary, we are having separate words, the words and the meanings. So the words are keys and these meanings, that's synonyms, are that values. The same thing also going to happen here. We can define a key and a value. By using that key, we can access all those elements. So let me explain that. So the key is 1, the value is 2. And again, the key is 2, the value is 4. How can I get the values from this dictionary? In lists, we used to get values by accessing the index of the list. But here we are not going to access elements by index. Rather than that index, here we are going to get elements by their keys. So for example, if I want to get the first element, that the value corresponding to the key 1, definitely I can use these square brackets of 1. It will definitely give the value 2. And if I try to get dictionary of 2, the d of 2 will give the value corresponding to the key 2. So this is what that way to get the element by the key. So next we will see what happen if we try to access a key that is not present in that corresponding dictionary. If I try to get the value of corresponding key 3, but it shows that key error, there is no key available in that particular dictionary. Here I am having a dictionary. Like if I try to access a key that is not present in the dictionary, it raising an error we have seen already. So how to overcome this problem? So we are having a method get. So it definitely return the value corresponding to that key. What happens if the key doesn't present in that corresponding dictionary? It doesn't return anything or raise any error. So this will very helpful for us if we don't know what are the keys available in that dictionary. By using this method, definitely we can get the value if it present, the key is present in that dictionary. If there is no key present in the dictionary, then it don't raise any error or it will never return anything. So this is what the pro tip. Now we will see how to we extract the keys from the dictionary. I'm going to create another dictionary. So not only integers we can define, but all other things also. For example, a, I am giving a as a key and b as another key for its value is 2, and c its value is 3. So we can give this also. There is no limit for we can give any type of variable as a key and as a value. So how to extract these keys? By simply typing d.keys, we can get what are the keys available in that keys. We can typecast this dict keys object into list. By using this list function, we can definitely get the list of available keys in that particular dictionary. If I replace these keys by values, I can get what are the values available in the dictionary in the format of list. So this is very simple. Then how to update the dictionary? This is what the next thing. If I want to add some more thing, we can simply do like this: d equals 4. This also add the value. So while printing this, we can clearly know that this d is added here. So we are having another way to do this. So d dot update. This function also can be used to update this dictionary. So for that, we have to give a tuple or list, anything, but it should be the length of 2. So here I am giving a tuple. The key is d and the value is 4. And for the tuple, we have to put comma. I already said in a previous video. So this also do the same thing for us. So these are the ways to update the dictionary. Now we will see how to remove some items from this dictionary. In list we will use pop, but here we can't use pop because it consists of it doesn't belongs to any indexing. It consists of keys and values, so we cannot use pop of like list, but we have to give the what is the key here. So if I give a as a key and then I am printing dictionary, so now you can see that the a and its corresponding value is deleted from this dictionary. And also we are having another method like pop item method or function. It's similar one, pop item. So this also do the thing, but it removes what is at the end of that particular dictionary. If again I run this, it will remove C and 3. You can see, yeah, definitely it removed C and 3 because it's the last element, so it removed that. Now I am going to tell you an interesting thing, like can a dictionary have duplicate values? Right, I am going to create a dictionary with 1 2 and 2 4. So what happen if dictionary have duplicate values, right? If again I am giving this same thing, so let's print this. So you can see like these duplicates are not actually removed, they are overridden. So if I give a 6 here, then you can see like key is 2 and value is 6, but this is not removed from the dictionary, but it is overridden. The same key is 2 already available, so this key is overridden by this item. So the corresponding value to 2 is 6. Next, I can explain this by seeing our conventional dictionary. It's having many words, but the words will never repeat, but the meanings of the words may repeat. This thing also happen here. So we can't give duplicate keys, but we can give duplicate values. Let me explain that. If I give 3 as a key and 4 as a value, but I'm giving 4 2 times, but there is no problem. We can have multiple same values, that is duplicate values, but we can't have a duplicate keys. Now we will see some advanced things in this dictionary, but many of the people, I am sure that they don't know these tricks. So you are mostly going to benefited by seeing these tricks. So how to create a dictionary with less number of code. So d equal to it I comma I star 2 comma for I in range 10. So let me try this. So no error. I think dictionary definitely will be created. So if I try to print this dictionary, you may be surprised that I and I star 2, that is multiply by 2. This range iterator will produce 0 to 9. We already know that. So this is just like list comprehension, like 0 into 2 0, 1 into 2 2. So the same by using the same trick we can achieve anything by using the same technology, that is same trick. 9 square 81. So hope you enjoyed all these things. So I will meet you with another and interesting video, and tada, see you in the next video.